Soil biology includes a range of organisms from absolutely tiny little things to fairly large organisms. It includes viruses and bacteria. It includes fungi. It includes amoebae swimming around in the soil, and then everything up to moles and voles that dig tunnels in the soil. To me, the thing that's most fascinating about soil biology is that it's in the dark, both kind of figuratively and in fact, we are working in the dark when we think about soil biology because the organisms are living underground. You can't see them. There's no light or very little light. They can't see each other. So there's all sorts of fascinating interactions going on. And for us to understand those, we have to be very clever to come up with ways of examining those creatures in the soil without totally disrupting them. To me, the most exciting thing about soil biology is truffles and growing truffles and finding truffles. Truffles are a kind of mushroom that live underground, and we love to eat them, and animals love to eat them, and they grow on the roots of trees. And we have some in here in British Columbia that are fabulous to eat, and people want to go and harvest them. And to find them, you need to train your dog to find truffles. So it's, you know, it's part of the science of understanding the association between that mushroom fungus and the roots of trees, but also it brings in humans and our excitement about wonderful foods and then using animals. So it's just it's a kind of farming, but it's also a social phenomenon as well. Soil is the basis from which everything grows. All plants, land plants anyways, grow in soil. And soil is a combination, of course, of things like sand and silt and water, but it's also this huge array of organisms. And some of those organisms help plants grow, and some of them attack plants and use them as food, and then some of the other organisms fight each other. So it's a huge, dynamic, complex system that we find very difficult and challenging and exciting to understand and to try to figure out how that all functions to make the ecosystems that we see around us.